Hello everybody. I'm just doing a video for something that I saw in Volume Leaders. It was in ETH on the 12th of October, and this is reflecting trades in RTH on Wednesday the 11th of October 2023. So if you look over here at the Volume Leaders trades, disproportionately large trades scanner, and I've sorted it by percentage, you can see that you've got H. And we're going to look at what H is in the hotels industry, in the consumer discretionary. It's basically the Hyatt Hotels group, and you can see it's at 100%. We're at rank number 1, and the dollar value is also very, very high in terms of $452 million worth of shares. So if we did actually just click that one, we'll refresh that twice to get it to scale from the top down. Just wait a second. Okay, and H is still up there. This is something that does not come up that often on this screen. And so if we then look across at the if we then look across at the H chart and we change this one to the last 30 days, and we make sure that we've got the last 10 trades in, and we will update. We can see how big this is here. So effectively you've got 3 trades in this little zone. So what this is telling me is that there is a very high likelihood that we are going to move considerably from this zone once we get moving. Again, we cannot predict the future. You can't know whether it's going to be today, tomorrow, the next day, etc. But it's just likely that they are gathering either to go up or down. So when we are looking about as to whether it's going to be up or down, then one of the things that I tend to do is get into TradingView and look at the weekly and the daily. So on the weekly, you've got the Hyatt group here. And you've got the discretionary sector that it's in. I also note that there's been a lot of talk in the last couple of days about Amazon being a buy, and Amazon really is the leader in this sector, the XLY. So you kind of wonder whether they're gathering for another push at the highs. So it's just a question, because in terms of a price structural setup on the weekly, we're really in a demand zone. So it'll be interesting to see whether we do then go up. If we move across to the daily and we look across both, so we're around about here. So if it went up, are we likely to take to try and fill up to the gap up there? Or if we're going to go down, are we going to test new lows for the last few months? So if we zoom back out again, are we likely to go back down there? We've got to maintain an open mind on the direction of where this could go, because we're not going to get that simply from the size of the trades. But it's interesting to note how many of them are in this zone. So it's just one that I thought was worth pointing out and doing a quick video on. Anyway, thank you for watching.